Guys, today I want to show you about the search tool JSTOR. Short for Journal Storage, JSTOR was created in 1995 by the former president of Princeton University, William G. Bowen. JSTOR is a digital library that contains full-text searches with access to 12 million academic journals, articles, books, and primary sources. In 2013, more than 8,000 institutions in more than 160 countries had access to JSTOR, with its oldest journal being from 1665, called the Philosophical Transactions of the Royal Society. Today, with 24/7 access, JSTOR collaborates with the academic community to help libraries connect students and faculty to vital content while lowering costs and increasing shelf space. There's two features on JSTOR that I want to show you today from the website. They're advanced search and its text analysis features. Both successfully narrow down your searches so that you can find what you need to faster. So first I want to start with the advanced search. Also, you can get to both of these things through these links underneath. So with the advanced search, I'm going to show you today the subjects from my research project for our class. I put in some words already, like free access and human right, and I'm going to search. JSTOR is going to find from these keywords relevant articles that have topics such as primary education, language rights, all these different things. So for example, this looks like a good article that I could use. It's from the journal Comparative Education Review. I can read this journal and I could even download it as a PDF if I want. Also, to slim down your searches even more, you can go over here for say that you don't want journals, research reports, or pamphlets, you just want a book. You can slim down your search by writing book and it'll come up with only books. So for example, I could do this owning the right to open access to scientific publications if I want. It shows you the author, it shows you the volume of the journal, everything you need to know for bibliographies as well. So I can go here, through here. Also, one more way to slim down is you can slim it down by publication dates or even all of the disciplines that they have. They have everything from American Studies to zoology. So all of a sudden, if you want something with only religion-based, and I'm still on books, but this comes up with Associative Democracy and Education, I Have Overcome the World, so the church relevant to religion. So another thing I want to show you is the text analyzer. This one is actually really cool. So I'm going to show it based on my annotation. So this was my annotation for one. I have it copied here. I'm going to copy everything and then I'm going to paste it. And so this is my whole annotation and it's going to analyze it. So basically what it does is it's going to find keywords and try and find articles based on these key topics it targets within my article. It's used to use your own text to identify and search for related context. So you can use your own documents to search for tailored articles in books. So here, for example, it's prioritized items, higher education, tier colleges, education and attainment, women's education, state colleges. These are all things keywords that they found and how they narrowed the search. They also have different topics that are key, people, like Obama was mentioned, locations, America, organizations, and then here you can find anything you need. If you want to add more items, you can, if you need, and it's going to only slim it down even more. So it still have the American College, Some Problems and Choices, explaining the worldwide boom in higher education of women. So you can just look and see which articles are going to be most applicable to yours. So this is JSTOR, and I think they're a really efficient way of finding exactly what you need for your research papers. Thank you.